Manhattan-bound D train via the N line. The next stop is 86th Street.
You guys called it. Door's gonna close. Alright, we're taking this train to Kings Highway from Coney Island. This train's running over the N line. From Coney Island to Kings Highway, 236. We just passed Coney Island. The lights went out a little. Right. Building Coney Island Yard. It's Coney Island Yard. This is my first time I was on this train. I took it for the first time. This R211A by CB is my first time. Alright. Oh, I cannot see. You all cannot see this train. There's nothing there. Alright.
This is 86th Street. This is a Manhattan-bound D train via the N line. The next stop is Avenue U.
Alright, just got the announcement.
This is Avenue U. This is a Manhattan-bound D train via the N line. The next stop is Kings Highway.
Okay, I've never rode this train on the sea beach before, so this is my first time. Approaching Avenue S between West 7 and West 8. Yeah, we're gonna see the old pass. Where you see? That's the old pass. Okay, we're arriving.
This is Kings Highway.
We gotta take a photo outside.
This is the